Yes. Yes, I understand. This is an international call. Yes, there's no problem. I will get back to you, okay? Everything is fine. Amen. It is covered. It's covered. Amen. Yes. All right. Okay, bye. Yes, my daughter. How are you, my daughter? Why? What is the problem?
The one that Spirit did it to.
The young fine man.
Yes.
The young energetic man the Spirit gave you. Amen. Yes, my daughter.
Take all my property.
You take what?
Property.
Your
my
properties.
money, yes. My dog, my land documents.
He took your land documents?
Yes. And my pants and my braces.
Your panty too?
Yes.
Why? What color of panties did he take?
It's plenty. I can't mention my.
Oh no. There is something that the Spirit is showing me. You've been wearing panty for 5 years. Why? And they are all torn.